Hi, this is Ashish from OpenQuiz.com. Okay, so today I will tell you how you can hire cheap online teachers. Okay, very affordable and administrative staff from OpenQuiz.com. Okay, first what you have to do is you have to log in. Okay, before login you have to buy a plan. Basically, there are multiple plans. You have to buy either a gold or a platinum plan. I will just show you how you can uh, buy the plan. Okay. Uh, you can just come to these plans, okay, and click subscribe to gold and platinum plan here. Okay, once you buy this plan, uh, you'll get an ID. Okay, and that ID you can use and you can log into your my account. Once you log into your my account, okay, see here I have logged in as a gold uh, account. Just give me 1 second. Let me show you how to log in again. Okay, so once I am logged in, I can actually hire a teacher, and while buying the plan I already added some credits to this. Okay, and so we give credits, so you can buy as many credits and you can use these credits to get online services from various teachers who are there are like thousands of teachers who are verified from openquiz.com. You can take services from them using these credits, but to use these credits first you have to subscribe to either a gold or a platinum plan, and then you fill up these credits. We do not charge any brokerage service for hiring. Okay, and we do not charge any software service also. It's free of cost. Okay, the only cost which we you give is only for the payment gateway service charge. That's it. You don't give any cost. That is around 3%. Now what you have to do is, if you want to see temporary staff, by temporary staff I mean, like suppose you want a teacher for assignment, okay, 10 classes you want to give. So what you do is you create a project. Okay, now when you create a project, you have to first give the title, etc., amount, okay, and then you detail out the description. Okay, what you want to, you give a project description here. Okay, and you make a project now, and you can assign the project to some resource, some already registered with us, some teachers already registered with us. How to find those teachers? You can click here. Okay, and you can go to our directory services. Okay, there are thousands of teachers who are registered. Okay, you can click anyone. Okay, suppose this online coaching somebody is doing. Okay, Radha Kumari, she is doing some work. She is doing computer basic mathematics. Okay, suppose you want to hire computers teacher. Okay, you go to her home page, and in the home page there is this username given, right, Radha Kumari. What you have to do is you go back to this form, you fill up the details here, fill up the description that I want Radha Kumari to do mathematics classes. 5 means suppose you want her to do like 6 mathematics classes, you are going to pay her 6,000 rupees for that. So you put 6,000 rupees here, you put the description here, and there is a job description. Actually, before creating a project you first have to create a job. Okay, and in that, for that job you can attach to this project. And in this project, because in one job you can hire multiple, for one job you can you can create multiple projects, and for each project you hire one teacher. Okay, or any virtual assistant, academic staff. Now Radha Kumari, I just saw her there. I can just search here Radha. I know her ID, right? So, oh, this is job role. Sorry, I'll come here. Radha. Radha Kumari, right? See, I got the username. So I can just allocate. If I don't have, I don't know whom teacher to allocate. There are many maths teacher, right, in our network. If I don't know which teacher I want to allocate, I can just leave it blank. Our system will post your job to everybody, this project, and then they can accept. So once you create this project, this is just form you have to fill. You press the create button, you put start date, end date, price you are willing to pay. Then you go back to your dashboard. You press the create button, you go back to your dashboard. I have already created one project. I will show you. You go to all new projects here. Earlier I created a project. See, this test Banu I created earlier. Okay, I assigned it to some basic user. His okay, Ramu. Okay, this is the role teacher. I assigned it. Okay, now once they accept, okay, the projects will shift from this all new projects menu to the menu number seconds. It will go first, second, third, fourth. This is how your project will flow. Okay, now accepted projects will come here. So whoever has accepted, suppose Radha Kumari had accepted your project, then her name will come here. Then suppose she delivers the project. Delivers means that you asked her to take suppose 6 classes. Those 6 classes she has already delivered, so they will come in the delivered projects. Okay, now nothing is delivered now. Once they come in the delivered projects, actually you can approve them. You can press the approve button. So once you press the approve button, the payment will be given to the teacher, okay, from our online system. See, this is the all approved projects. Okay, so what happened to this project? Also, this work history you can see. The project was first created, then it was accepted, then it was delivered, then finally it was approved. It was approved by you. Okay, once it was approved, the money has gone to the teacher, and that's it. So this is how you can online manage, and these are very cheap. You don't need to hire a dedicated staff, and you can try, many teachers from this site. You can go to the teachers directory. There is an assistants directory also. Assistants are like virtual assistant, administrative staff. Suppose you want a receptionist. Okay, there are tons of see, academic sales representative for your school if you want, or academic coordinator you want. So there are these are also registered people. You can go to their website. Okay, go to their profile. You can find what they are doing. Okay, go to this link, you will find their username, right? So using this username, or you can actually directly call them also from here. You can contact them from here, or through this through their contact us form, or you can just go and assign them a job, and then they will do that job for you. Okay, now we also provide a safety for you in terms of suppose suppose the person accept the job but he leaves in between. Okay, what will happen? In that case, a 10% penalty will return back to you. So what will happen is a penalty would be charged to the person, to the teacher who left the job in between. You assigned a project to him but he couldn't do that, so that 10% money he will pay a penalty for you, and that would be added to your service credits. Actually, you can find the full details, their credit transaction details, and your earning this. What is earning? See, your home page will also be created. In your home page also there would be batches and all. So whatever batches you earn, whatever money you earn through your home page, that earning will come to your earning. Then this is the credit spent. So credit spent, you are spending your credits for hiring temporary staff. So you can see all the transactions here. When did you pay, which person you pay, what was the project. Okay, so 50 rupees suppose. So this is the penalty charge, right? So this 50 rupees you got the money. Okay, and this is minus 2 rupees you had to pay because you cancelled the project in between. Okay, this minus 1900 fee you paid to the teacher. Okay, so all this management also happens here. Okay, and yeah, you can use this. There is no brokerage cost we are charging to any for hiring any teachers. You can hire unlimited teachers in our network. You